Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2025 Suburban. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, 4-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, power lift gate, brake assist, stability control. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, Bluetooth, heated steering wheel, smart device integration, keyless entry, adaptive cruise control, rear AC, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.